Okay, I want to thank you guys so very much for opting in. I'm not going to waste too much of your time. So let's dive right in, guys, and start talking about how to start making money on the internet with your very own automated marketing and sales systems and funnels. By the time I finish this actual presentations, guys, not only are you going to understand the actual components of an automated marketing system and sales funnels, but you're going to actually be able to have your very own automated marketing sales system and sales funnel completely set up without actually having to go through setting up or doing all the technical things that are involved with doing that. Okay, so let's talk about the actual components of an automated marketing sales system and sales funnel, guys. Okay, very simple. Okay, when you're talking about those components, but the things that you want to really understand. Now, I don't know about you guys, but to me, my time is very precious, right? And to me, real quality of life revolves around making the absolute best of your time and working smart, which is exactly why I want to talk about how you guys can start making money on the internet using automated marketing, sales systems, and sales funnels. So let's actually talk about the components of an automated marketing sales system and a sales funnel. Uh, and they are the actual capture page. Okay, you guys see me here. We're talking about a capture page, a squeeze page, a landing page. You can call it whatever you want, right? But its purpose is to capture the name and email addresses of your potential prospects as they're coming into your particular marketing system and sales funnel. Okay, the second major component of a high converting, or should I say, a marketing system and a sales funnel is a high converting offer, guys. If you look over here where I'm just playing around right here, a high converting offer. What is a high converting offer? Preferably, it's a product and or a service, right? Something that thousands upon thousands of people are already diligently searching for. Okay, so that's what your high converting offer is. And then, of course, your third component, the third major component of your automated marketing system and sales funnel is actually your sales page, guys. This is where your potential prospects will go to purchase and buy. And when they do, guys, they get instant access to digital products or services, right? And you get paid instantly, right? At the same time. Okay, now that's a very beautiful thing. Now, what you need to understand when we're talking about automated marketing systems and sales funnels is what makes them work. Okay, and let's move over here to the left, guys, and look at the traffic. Okay, because traffic is what makes the actual marketing system and sales funnel work. Okay, now before we get into talking any more about traffic, guys, let me tell you what the ideal marketing sales system and sales funnel consists of within the actual anatomy of the system itself. Number one, guys, it has to be something that's duplicatable, okay? It has to be duplicatable because as you go out and start doing your marketing and presenting, using your automated marketing systems and sales funnels, you want it to be duplicatable because the people that you bring in are going to be able to jump right in, duplicate the system, and that is what's going to be able to help you get moving with simplicity, ease, and speed. Okay, this is going to help you get moving, and this is a great way, guys, when you're talking about being duplicatable and replicatable. This is a great way to build your business. Now, the other ideal component of the automated marketing system and sales funnel is having multiple streams of income rolled into the actual system in and of itself. Because, again, as your potential new people start following you into this particular business opportunity or buying this particular product and service, um, from you, and then they start going out to use it, that they're going to be able, this is going to how you're going to easily be able to scale your business. Okay, you got duplicatable, it's replicatable, it has multiple streams of income built into it. So this is why these are the ideal components of an ideal automated marketing system and sales funnel. And the actual marketing system and sales funnel that we're going to be talking more about today has all of these components rolled into it, right? And that's a very beautiful thing, again, because now when you talk about the scalability, you're working smarter, not harder, right? Because everybody that you're bringing into the business, everybody you're introducing your particular products and services to, are getting a system that's actually going to do the exact same thing for you, and it has multiple streams of income built within it. Those are the actual components of an automated marketing system and a sales funnel. Now, I've been putting these types of sales systems and sales funnels together for years, guys, okay? And when I first got started, it was frustrating because I had to learn, a little about coding, and I had to learn all these different things. And I still do it to this very day because I love doing it so much. And you can get software. I have software that allows me to go out and build my own automated marketing systems and sales funnels. And so I continue to do it on a daily, not a daily basis, but I build them out all the time. Now, here's the good news. Today, you don't have to do any of the things. I just showed you the actual components of an automated marketing system and sales funnel, but you don't have to do any of those things. And one of the things that I didn't talk about, let me jump back over here real quick because you're gonna understand this a little bit more a little bit later. But what we didn't talk about is the fact that when your high converting automated marketing system and sales funnel is all together, guys, we call it automated because you actually are not only going to be able to get right in front of your target audience. We're going to show you guys how to do that. But we're also going to show you how to continue to correspond with those particular prospects. And what I mean by that is, guys, when this is all said and done, and we can have this set up within the next 20 minutes, not only are you going to be able to go out and get all the new prospects that you can possibly imagine coming into your marketing, sales systems, and your sales funnels, but you're also going to be able to follow up with those potential prospects. Now, why would you want to be able to follow up with them? Because the very first time a person sees a particular business opportunity, a product or a service, they might not be so inclined to join. So by following up with those potential prospects, right, with complete automation, you're going to be able to re-engage those prospects, guys. And this, again, is just a win-win situation for you because usually, more likely than not, it's usually between the 7th and the 12th time that a potential prospect sees a particular offer, product, or service that they actually join. Somewhere between the 7th and the 12th visit. So that's what that re-engagement is all about. So understand, as you're looking at the actual anatomy of your automated marketing and sales system, it may look kind of complicated, right? Don't be intimidated, guys. You're not going to have to do any of these things because we're going to show you guys today how to actually tap into a system that has an unlearned, and it truly is unlimited earning potential, and it can truly change your life if you simply get in and follow along with the training that we're going to provide you. And we're giving you the actual system, okay? We're giving you the actual system, but the system comes with I consider tens of thousands of dollars worth of internet marketing training that I know I went out and paid tens of thousands of dollars for this kind of training. And you get in all these great features along with the actual automated marketing system and sales funnel that you can go out and start using right now today. So I'm very excited that you guys opted into the page. The only reason you're here, right, is because either you haven't reached the level of success that you want, or you just want to boost your business and take it to an all new level. It doesn't matter, guys, what you want to do. And to be quite honest with you, it doesn't really matter what it is you want to market. Even if you join and you didn't want to use the actual automated marketing and sales system that we have prepared for you here with multiple income streams already rolled in, and the ability for your new prospects or new team members as they're coming in, guys, we're a part of one big team, the ability to duplicate and replicate. Even if you didn't want to use our system for that, guys, you can take the actual training that we're going to provide, that you're going to be able to receive here, and you can use it to build any business. And when you get it down and you dig into this training and you start seeing the actual power and importance of the training that you're going to receive, you're going to be able to go out and, again, create even more streams of income using the tactics, the strategies, and the techniques that we're going to share with you inside of the system, okay? So right below this video, guys, there's going to be an actual blue continue button. You guys sit back, relax, and get ready to watch the actual presentation of your future automated marketing sales system and sales funnel, okay? You're going to see the presentation of exactly what it is you're going to have and what you're going to be able to start sharing with the countless thousands, 200,000 plus actually, brand new people coming online every single day looking for ways to make money on the internet, okay? That's it in a nutshell, guys. I look forward to you guys watching the presentation, right? So go get in a quiet place where you are ready to receive it. And I look forward to welcoming you guys as a new member of our team. Now, there are some great bonuses that we're going to be talking about later on. There's an incredible Facebook group that you guys are going to be invited to join, so you can get in here where we're all inside of interacting with each other. Just a great community of like-minded individuals who are trying to take their business and their lives to an all new level. Okay, so again, I'm looking forward to welcoming you guys into on the team. There will be a blue continue button on my website. If you guys are on my website, it's going to actually redirect you guys to a page that actually looks exactly like this one. Go ahead on and give me your name, or should I say your email address, your name and your phone number. I'm going to take you guys over to the presentation. And again, you get to watch the presentation in its entirety, understanding as you watch that it's the very same system that we're handing over to you right now, guys, for literally pennies on the dollar. You'll actually see what I'm talking about when you get inside and understand this the exact same system that your potential prospects will be introduced to as well. Anyway, this is your boy Marlon Bennett. I'm glad you guys opted in. I want to thank you guys so very much, and I want to wish you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.